Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to listen to music together on Spotify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify app. Then just go ahead and choose the music that you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna end this session so that I can teach you on how to do that. So now you want to click on the speaker button at the lower left corner of your screen below the shuffle button. Okay, so now here you can see the start a remote group session. So listen with friends in different places. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can invite up to 7 friends. Once they join your group session, you can play music and podcast together. So participants will see your profile picture and username. So just go ahead and click on invite friends. Now you can just go ahead and copy a link and you can send the link with your friends so that they can join your group session. You can also send it by WhatsApp, Instagram messages, Messenger, Facebook messages, and there's a lot more options when you click on the more icon. Okay, so now once they joined this session, you can now start listening to music together. And then that's it. That is how you'll listen to music together on Spotify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.